to another video. Today, we are going to be talking about what the water cycle is and why it's important. Then we'll do a fun activity to help us remember what we learn here forever. So what is the water cycle? The water cycle is a continuous process that all water on Earth goes through to be reused over and over again. It has three main parts: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Think about what happens when you spill water on the sidewalk outside. Does it stay there forever? No, it disappears. But where does it go? It evaporates. Evaporation happens when the sun heats up the earth or surface water and causes water droplets to rise into the sky. We call the droplets water vapor. You can observe evaporation occurring in real time by placing a pot of water onto the stove and bringing it to a boil. The steam that you observe is actually water being heated up and turned into a vapor. When water vapor starts to get cold, they move closer and closer together. The cooler temperatures make the water droplets condense. Have you ever noticed that if you leave a cold drink in the sun, the cup will get wet on the outside? That is condensation. Up in the sky, clouds are formed through condensation. At some point, the clouds get too large and heavy. When this happens, the water vapor changes form and falls to the ground as a liquid. We call this precipitation. There are many types of precipitation. What kinds have you noticed before? What about rain, or when it gets really cold, snow, sleet, or even hail? After learning so much cool new information, it may be hard to remember it all. Let's create a tool together that can help remind us what the parts of the water cycle are, just in case we forget. Before you begin the activity, you're going to need some materials. You'll need a printed copy of the water cycle wheel, colored pencils, a pencil to write your name with, scissors, a paper clip, and some tape. Now let's get started. This is the title page of our wheel. On the line, write your name so that you know it's yours. Then look at the second page. Notice how it has 3 blank sections labeled with a different part of the water cycle. Your job is to draw a picture that represents each stage of the water cycle in the correct sections. You can also write the definition of each word to reference later. After you've done that, you can color both pages to make them look nice. Then, cut out the wheels along the circle lines and cut along the dotted line on the title page to take out a wedge. Then place the title page on top of the examples page and push the paper clip through the middle of the circles to bind them together. Tape the paper clip to the back so that it's secure, and now you have a working water cycle wheel. I hope you enjoyed our activity today. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. To learn more about Caesar or to find more exciting activities, visit our website, which is listed below.